How to dermaplane at home with Epiel. Achieve glowing skin with tips from Epiel and Tinkle. Step 1. Cleanse. Cleanse to remove makeup, dirt, and oil for dermaplaning. This product allows for double cleansing in one step. Massage in circular motions and rinse with warm water. Step 2. Prep. Apply multi-balm to your face to reduce redness and irritation during dermaplaning. It contains Centella asiatica extract and shea butter. Step 3. Dermaplane. Hold your skin taut and glide the razor gently at a 45-degree angle. Follow the direction of hair growth with short strokes. While dermaplaning, use the gauze side of the balancing toner pad to remove exfoliated skin and hair. Step 4. Calm. Gently wipe your face with the jelly side of the balancing toner pad to soothe and soften skin with green tea and chamomile extracts. Step 5. Soothe. Apply the hydrating mask to your face, which contains heartleaf and ceramides to soothe and protect sensitive skin. Step 6. Repair. Apply rejuvenating serum with soybean extract and asparagus root to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. For best results, maintain this routine and repeat every month. Epiel, the secret to beauty.